What are you doing to stay corona-free? So if you're looking for a fancy face mask, like the one I'm wearing here, hit me up in the comments so we can make a plan. Well, by now, everyone has seen a photo or a video of officials with police enforcing social distancing rules. We have seen videos of people getting beaten, some getting loaded into police vehicles, and hauled off, apparently under arrest. Their crime? They have defied the presidential directive to observe social distancing and stay at home in order to contain the spread of COVID-19. Some people have been caught drinking in their cars or at secluded hidden places, but in numbers that the officials have deemed to pose a public health risk. So there's great debate going on right now. On one hand, you have human rights activists, let's call them that, who are labeling that as police brutality. They are questioning the logic, saying, why are the police going around in the night picking up people who are drinking in really small groups? Meanwhile, during the day, go anywhere. Soweto Market, City Market, Chisokone, around the country, it appears to still be business as usual. Traders in large numbers, people on minibuses still squeeze, and yet officials will go and stop a private vehicle because they've got 3 passengers at the back. These are people who may be coming from the same house in one car, and that is a problem. But people who do not know each other can still squeeze on a minibus, and that is not a problem. Others are in support of the beatings, of course. They argue that this is what is necessary to keep the public protected. And if there's any collateral damage, in this case severe beatings, then that's a very small price we must pay in order to contain the spread of COVID. Well, part of me agrees. This is a case that can be won very easily in the court of public opinion. However, if it were taken up in the High Court and someone alleged violation of their human rights, is the outcome still very certain? This leads me to ask, aren't we exposing our police officers to potential litigation in future? Anyway, I would like to appeal to everyone who's involved to practice restraint. These people who are going out at night, what is the problem? Is everything okay at home? If you want to drink, can't you just buy a takeaway? What is wrong with you just staying at home and drinking in the company of people you live with? Tell us, what are you running away from? If there are issues at home, maybe this is the time that you could start trying to resolve some of those issues, not always running away from your problems every day. In fact, some biblical scholars might even argue that this could be one of the reasons why we have this coronavirus here today. It might be a way to bring us back together so we can repair our families. At the same time, the realist in me, I can't help but wonder, couldn't these people be alcoholics? Maybe they need a different kind of help, and maybe these beatings is not that help. Now, to our officials, it doesn't matter the public opinion on this issue. At some stage, you might have to answer the question of legality. Is it legal to beat up these people? I know a lot of us think that you are doing the right thing, and many people are in support. However, there does not seem to be any justification for anyone to take the law in their hands, unless in a state of emergency when certain rights are suspended. Here, we have not even declared a lockdown. Those beatings may be very difficult to justify. Someone rightly said, it is always the idea of doing good that causes otherwise decent people to do indecent things. I understand that many support these actions as necessary to enforce the presidential directive. But remember, 2 wrongs have never made it right. We might have to find other ways to punish those people. Violence, AI. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.